Hey y'all, it is Saturday morning. I am driving the truck today, y'all, and I cannot get this seat right. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Half the time, y'all do the get ready with me, you know, with this makeup look. It's nothing serious, honey. It's Saturday, and your girl is not trying to be all cute up today, but I had some requests for some get ready with me videos, so I'm trying to make it happen. Oh, but I did do like the intro to it was like prepping my skin, you know what I'm saying, for, ooh, look at the man sitting there, prepping my skin for makeup, you know, or whatever, just for today. Anywho, it's time to get this party started, right? Girl, what the if they don't move, what the hell is that? It's like a piece of dried up cement or something that is not leveled out right there. Y'all, let me turn this air down. It's not even really that hot right now. I'm driving the truck today, child. That was the thing that was out, and I didn't feel like moving no vehicles all around. So I jumped in the truck, and of course I need some flipping gas. I got enough to make it to work though. I'll stop at the gas station by my job. I usually get gas down here because it's cheaper than in the city. But yes, girl, we're gonna go ahead and get the 8 hours over with, honey. Make it happen. It's supposed to rain today, y'all. And oh yeah, it's back there. It's supposed to rain today. We are embracing for a possible, I don't know, hurricane, tropical storm, whatever, child. It's a storm out on the ocean, honey. Y'all know it's that time of the year. What is it, September? I'm talking about August, girl. August done past September. It's hurricane month for us, you know, probably for everywhere. But, you know, it don't take nothing for a storm to come through. And so they telling everybody to start preparing, yada, 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 yada. I think they tell everybody that because they want you to go, well, they want you to be prepared, honestly. And most times, if anything happen, like, let's say you run out of power or whatever, you're only going to be out of power for like about 2 days. You can, you know, you can make that happen. The only thing I worry about when the power goes out, y'all, be the food. You know what I'm saying? That's what we be worrying, the food, like, yo. Because it is so expensive trying to replace food, child. This hair about to wear the snap. I mean, I like this side. I don't like this side. But anywho. Girl, I need to, let's chat about the funeral. Yeah, I know that, you know, when people reach a certain status in life, that, you know, you like to pay tribute to them, you know what I'm saying, and they did so much, you know, whatever, that's understandable. But a 12-hour funeral, really, 12-hour funeral, that is absolutely ridiculous. I'm sorry if y'all, I want to keep saying Patti LaBelle, y'all, for some reason, but you know what I'm saying. If y'all are, what's her name? Aretha Franklin fans. I mean, God loved her music, but you know, that's about it. I mean, we found out that she did a whole lot of stuff, but a 12-hour funeral, can we say excessive? Because y'all, that is very excessive. I mean, I had my some of my family members, I said she didn't want to go in the ground. She did, all that stuff going, she didn't want to go in the ground. And all those clothing, yeah, I have never in my life heard of anything like that. And I know she was the diva and the queen of soul and all that kind of stuff, but really, that shit is ridiculous. I mean, can y'all imagine like having to change a corpse 3 times? But then I heard it was 4 times, but I don't know, more than once is excessive. She gave me an idea though. I was like, you know what, I don't know, I might want to put on one thing for my weight and put on something else for my funeral, girl. She done started I bet you she started a trend. How much y'all want to bet? I bet you Aretha started a trend. Now people gonna want to have all these wardrobe changes when they die. What you want to bet? Now, I've always said I want my casket open all the way down and my shoes on my feet. I have always told my mama that. She's like, girl, you crazy. I'm like, no, seriously, I want my casket. And y'all gonna laugh, but I told her I wanted red. I wanted a red outfit, but I don't know. But my mom, well, hopefully I won't die no time soon, but that's just, in our conversations or whatever. But I had my mom laughing because she was laughing. She was like, yeah, you always say you want your casket open all the way and shoes on your feet and a red dress. But that was just excessive, y'all. Like, I have never, and I hope I don't ever. We were watching bits and pieces at work, girl, because it was slow that day, honey. Ooh, this traffic is woo, 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 woo. It is Saturday morning, though. We were watching bits and pieces at work, girl, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. We were just like amazed at you know how you just be like, really, y'all, really? And what about the performances? Now, I had to go back on YouTube and check some of the performances because I couldn't, watch all the performances. I still didn't watch all the performances. It was some really nice things said about her, and I can understand, people saying nice things about her, but all those performances and all of those comments, it was just excessive. Y'all gonna hear that word a lot in this video. Excessive. Can you say excessive? Like, girl, get in the ground already. And I'm sorry if you get mad, but Aretha Franklin was not God. You know what I'm saying? And, hey, it was over. Let me see what Tootie want, y'all, right quick. Hold on. Hey, Toot.
Where you at?
On my way to work. What's up?
What did you do? You know the way that you put this in the dishwasher?
Can you put what, baby?
This detergent in the dishwasher.
Absolutely not. You better not put no dish detergent in the dishwasher. It's going to overflow. Why? Who did that? Nah, you have done that at the house several times and it overflowed, and I told you not to do that. Say what? I guess wipe it out. Your mama gonna kill you, honey. All right, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
All right, bye. Girl, she know. Too up early washing dishes and stuff, putting dish detergent in a dishwasher. She know better than that, y'all. She's done that at my house and it overflowed. But back to Aretha Franklin. All those performances, and really, y'all, it turned into it turned into a hot mess because it was too much going on. It was just too much going on, and too much of anything is too much. I'm sorry, but it is. And to me, it just turned into a circus scene. Like, it was just so much going on. You had Ariel Grande, whatever, Ari, what's her name, y'all? Grande, whatever. The one that did that little song. They had that little dress on. You know, well, she might not know, but it's inappropriate. Like, I'm telling y'all, I don't know what the freak is wrong with people these days. But I told y'all about that friend I went to, and them girls in there, they had the backs out, they had the dresses short, and people just are clueless these days. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be like, because for me, let me tell you something. I would tell my daughter if something was inappropriate. Hey, Lamika, that's too short, honey. You know what I'm saying? And I, like, even for myself, I be checking my little stuff, y'all. And if I got to second guess it or, whatever, then I might not need to wear it. You feel me? But it's a time and a place for everything. So, yes, her dress was short. Yes, the preacher was get him a fear girl over there on that side. Yes, that was inappropriate. I mean, it was just a lot of stuff that was just like, it was just like a circus up there. It was just too much going on. No, Shaka Khan did not know the words to the song. She had them on the back of her fan, which I've seen people, they don't know the words to the song. They put them on the back of a fan, their paper or whatever. But that was the oldest song in the history of Negro spirituals. What's wrong, Shaka? You don't know that song? I couldn't believe she didn't know Going Over Yonder, y'all. Everybody and their brother know Going Over Yonder. Anyway, you say the same thing over and over and over again. That's it. But the preacher should not have gone last. With all them shenanigans and stuff they had going on up there, they should have put the preacher further up. And let me tell you what was tacky. When I say tacky, I'm talking about tacky to me was when the preacher got ready to preach by then. And I know, y'all, it was 12 hours or whatever. All them celebrities, honey, had left. Them celebrities had left. And my thing is, you came in to get your little 11 hours of shine. You sat there for 11 hours, 10 hours, however long. Because I don't think we saw all. I don't think they televised 12 hours. But people were saying it was 12 hours. Even I heard the preacher say it was 12 hours. But so let's say you sat there for 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours, and when the preacher come, you gotta go. Some of y'all, we all need to hear the word. And then people got mad with the preacher because of what he was saying. Well, y'all, he told the truth. And like in so many instances, let me tell you something. They had already put Aretha in heaven, okay? She already got her crown. She already done walked in there. She already sitting at the right hand of Jesus Christ. They had already put her in heaven. He couldn't, I mean, what? What did you want him to say about Aretha that y'all hadn't already said? Everybody had said everything they wanted to say for 11 hours about Aretha. 8 hours, 10, whatever. Y'all get my drift. You had already said everything you had to say about Aretha Franklin. So he didn't need to come and, you couldn't put it in heaven. They had already put it there. So what was he going to say? So he talked to the living. I have seen plenty of preachers talk to the living, because the living is who you need to talk to, because the dead can't do nothing. And all dang said and done, you can hang it up because it won't be said and done. It's a wrap. You can stick a fork in them. It's done. So, and he said, he came to talk to the living. Of course. So people got mad because he was saying that, and he said the truth. Y'all, you can't get mad with the truth. I get so tired of people getting mad with the truth. And really, a lot of times black people are just too sensitive and they don't want to hear the truth. The truth is what it is, and you can't do nothing with it, girl. It's just the truth. People got mad with that man because he said that he said a lot of stuff, but if you listen to what he said, he made sense. What he was saying was that basically black men need to be in their children's lives, and if we really want a black life to matter, then we need to start acting like Black Lives Matter ourselves, because it's true, we kill each other more than probably any other race. You know what I'm saying? Like it just murder for no reason, killing people for no reason. And it's true. No, I do not condone white people, killing black people, or police officer killing, our brothers or whatever. And honestly, I don't think that preacher does either. What he said was, if we want black lives to matter, then we as black people need to act like Black Lives Matter. I agree with him 100%. I agree with a lot of the stuff he said. I mean, and the truth is, black people don't want to hear the truth. And hey, it is what it is. What you gonna do with it? You can't do nothing with the truth. It's tight, but it's right. And black people just need to get a grip, because truthfully, y'all, I think a lot of people need to go back and listen to what that preacher said, because it's a lot of truth and a lot that he said. And I didn't listen to. I listened to I did listen to the whole thing. I did, because they ended the child. I guess his little part was over. And you know what he said? He came back, girl, defending himself, because, I mean, hey, when you tell the truth, you can come back and say, yeah, I said it. But let me tell y'all, and he explained it. He came back, he did a good job explaining. He said, let me tell you something. Aretha knew me. She knew what kind of preacher I was. I preached her daddy funeral. I preached other people's funeral. She knew exactly what kind of preacher I was. So you know what? She knew that he probably was going to get up and say some of the stuff he said, because like he said, she knew him. But we just get, let me see, y'all. I was trying to see if it's a haze. It might be. But we just get too mad about the truth. And the truth is, we need to get to listening to the truth. I look at Cardi B. This morning, Cardi B got a knot on her head. For what? Because, and then they all need to stop their mess. And no, she's not black, but they all need to stop their mess. It's just the generations, y'all, that just really need to get a grip. Because some stuff, it just ain't even worth it. You know what I'm saying? It's not. Like, yo, it's just, oh my goodness. I really, really lifestyle they be living. But y'all, that's my 2 cents on Aretha. I just think it was too much and it was unnecessary. I mean, yeah, you're gonna have a funeral. What they should have done to me was to have a musical. But then I heard they did something like Friday, Thursday. What day was that funeral on a Friday? They did something like the night before in Chicago that lasted like some hours. So okay, like anyway, they should have like a BET musical or something like that. But still, ain't nobody gonna sit through 8 hours. 7 hours. I mean, you know, they did, but anyway, y'all know what I'm saying. Good gracious, Aretha, hey, she went out with a bang, though, honey. But let me tell you something, hey, she girl, I ain't gonna say that, because you know black folks get sensitive. Y'all get sensitive on your girl, and hey, don't come for me, because my opinion is my opinion, you know. But I just think it was just too much. And the people are like, yeah, well, she was the queen of soul. She deserved. Yeah, okay, I understand she deserved a lot of accolades that she got. She deserved a lot of stuff, but that was too freaking much. Too much. It was just too much. Because you know what? That was just overkill. Overkill. But anyway, y'all, I just want to come on and chat with y'all about Aretha funeral. Let's have a conversation, you know, comment in the comment section, you know, your opinion is your opinion, just keep it respectful, and we'll chat. So let's get this conversation popping. Let me know what your comments are, and we can chat about it, because I'm really interested to see what some of my viewers think and have to say about it. And I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Y'all have a great day, okay? I'll probably upload this video early, but anyway, y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.